Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, keep watching. So first and foremost, to have a sleeky pony without blow drying or putting any heat, make sure it's combed out, okay? Comb it out correctly and effectively. Then I made sure I had my part. I made it a little deep. I had to make sure that the part was crisp. Okay, I'm lying. I kind of made it a lot of deep. I had to make it even deeper. After making sure it's deep, we cater to the edges, okay? Cater to those edges because your edges are the most important for a sleeky pony because the edges really set it off. I don't know why I showed you guys that upside down. I guess because I didn't have the sound and I wasn't talking. I assume I just didn't care. But yeah, I used the Creme Nature Edge Control because of course it was still the month of February, so I definitely did that. And we're finished. So now we go in with the foam. Foam is literally my base product for any type of sleek look that I'm trying to achieve. I put that foam down first and make sure that I comb it through and just, mold my hair so my hair just knows, hey, come out of this little position that we're in, we will have a problem. Next, I go in with my Murray's Edgewax Extreme Hold. No lie, this is probably the only thing that actually lays down my hair. I've tried Eco Styler, I've tried the Creme Nature Edge Control. I've tried a lot of different things that supposedly lay down your hair, and this ultimately does the trick. I put a little extra stuff, as you're gonna see in the video, to help lay down my hair. But this right here, I honestly could just use alone. I just use the other stuff just for a little extra razzle dazzle. Like, come on now, you can't tell me it's just not smoothing out in the most beautifulest form. I don't even think that's a word, but hey, it's gonna be a word today. It looks good. Like, it looks like it's not gonna go anywhere, and that's what I like. That's why I use this, and I'm gonna continue to use this because not putting heat on your hair when you're trying to slick it down is a challenge, but it doesn't have to necessarily be the end of the world because we don't have to use heat just to mold some stuff, So get at this edge wax from Murray's. You will not be sorry. So as I mentioned previously, I will be using a little extra something just to, razzle dazzle it. I use this stick. It probably isn't the best edge stick, but I love it, and it's the cheapest one, so that's why I use it. You can use any type of edge stick, but this one's cheap, so I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna keep using it. But it just kind of just seals it. Like, it just, with the edge wax, it just makes everything more firm, and I like that because for me, being a part of the TWA community, Teeny Weeny Afro, we need stuff that really enforces slickness and really enforces don't go anywhere because it's already a struggle. Oh, whoa, wait. That's not struggle. Do y'all see that? Look at my butt. Okay, I'm done. Hold on. I'm about to go cry. Okay, I'm back. So now that I have everything kind of smushed into this beautiful non-struggle bun, I go back with the foam and just seal, everything's more so of sealing it, you know. I just seal in the smoothness of, you know, don't go anywhere, slicky. Now I use the Got to Be Glued freeze spray just to freeze down mainly my edges, of course, because for some reason anytime I lay down my hair, my edges disappear. If that happens to you, please let me know below, because I'm really starting to think I'm the problem. But yeah, when I don't put any extra stuff on my edges and I put a scarf on or a do-rag or anything of that nature, my edges literally are non-existent once I take it off. Now I go in with the blow dryer on cool heat, and I just make sure all this stuff is sealed into my hair, so when I put the scarf on, it's not sticking to the scarf. So make sure you do that part, because you don't want to just put the scarf on right after you put Got to Be first. Got to Be freeze spray and foam. Well, the foam really doesn't really matter. It's more so the Got to Be literally acts as like a glue. So yeah, make sure you blow dry it and make sure it's on cool. Now I'm adding my Sarah scarf. If you're new to my channel, I call it my Sarah scarf because my friend passed, and this is her scarf that I never gave back. I'm thankful now that I didn't. But okay, anyways, that's a story for another day. But yeah, so I'll put on my Sarah scarf and make sure that it is tight and secure. And then I go in with the blow dryer and just add a little extra secureness, if you know what I'm saying, if you catch my drift. Now for the part that we all been waiting for, the actual ponytail part. I'm using the Organique ponytail. It's a drawstring ponytail from Shake and Go. The style is beach curl, 28 inches, and the color is 4. Okay, y'all, don't shoot me, don't kill the mess, don't do anything to me, okay? I have a 4 because I was thirsty for this actual pattern, and they didn't have the number that I should have got, which was like a 1B, or maybe even a 2. So yeah, okay, I got brown. So what, you know? So if you see me in public and you see the colors are really not matching the way they should, you know, mind your business. But yeah, so I'm about to apply the pony. If the 2 clips they provided are not enough security for you, feel free to put some bobby pins in it. Okay, do not be ashamed, because I definitely will be putting bobby pins in it, because why not? Like, nobody's gonna snatch this off my head, at least not easily. But thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, make sure to come back. Bye.